Here's Turn Up, dating app, Match-Through Music. In this app, you can connect your Spotify account or just sign up with Apple and add your favorite artist, and then Match-Through Music taste. Indicate your favorite artist, songs, music genre, and create your blind test. Algorithm takes care of the rest. So basically, it's free to create an account. This is how it looks like. You can swipe through the profiles, you can like them, you can message them. But the idea is when you create in your account, you just have your musical bio, where this is just an example. You can add your favorite artist, song played on your profile. You can add favorite tracks, festivals, favorite artists, song for a first day, song for a hot night, song for dancing, guilty pleasure, song to eat sandwich. So all kind of, the more you add, the better your matches can be. And that's the idea. Then you can just add about me. You can add my blind tests. Find out if people know your favorite songs. Choose the find songs to be guessed. And then you can just add the title of the song and create kind of like a test around this song, either around lyrics or something like that. And people might need to guess it. And if they really like the song, they can pass the test. And then you know that this is kind of the person with a similar music taste. Then you can see profile overlay. So this is just an example. And you can see filters, my music genres. You can select in here. Then there is some assistance and some help, and that's it. So then you can see profiles. Then you can see different categories. You can search for music. You can see some nearby events. You can see some tests, and then you can see matches received and sent, and that's it. So super kind of basic app which you can try it out, but it's getting traction. It's in top 200 apps on the US App Store in lifestyle category. Good idea, but lots of bots. Fun way to meet new people. Pretty good, not very good, a little off. Great concept, mediocre app. The magnet for scammers. So real people really like this concept, but people sign up and there are a lot of scammers in there. So that's just what it is. So this niche of dating apps is trending for dating based on music taste. This niche is dating like trending for like few years, but there is not yet an app which kind of nailed it, and which kind of, when you use this app, it's like, yes, this is the best app for dating based on music. So it's not figured out yet. So that's what it is. But this is one of those apps you can try it out. There are not that many profiles, I guess, only in US. But in Europe, in Germany, in UK, probably it have some good number of profiles. But overall, this is the app.